Hello, welcome. My name is Veldboom, and this is Veldboom Studios. The purpose of today's video is actually something I'm quite proud about because I think I've been talking about launching a website for almost like the conception of this whole YouTube channel for 4 years or something, and now I finally have a website live. So it is veldboomstudios.com. The link will be in the description below, and as you can see on your screen right now, it just loaded up. So it is actually like a window to like a whole 3D space that I made. And as you can hopefully see as well, I can walk around with them, and that is my actual face, so it's kind of crazy. But as you can see, like still something with the clothes, things are not like fully the way that I want them to be and fully representative of like an actual real life situation. And also for the internet, when it comes to like just like the mobile version of Unreal Engine, which I use to kind of make everything here, it's still pretty limited in what you can actually do online. But I did figure out a way to get it running on a website and to also have my actual car in here. So this came with a lot of problems because as you can see, like if you go to like the wheels and stuff, those rims are missing, but there actually is a file in there for those rims because as you can see, like in the back here, it is kind of like blacked out. So there's a couple of difficulties with certain type of 3D files where if it is like a surface mesh with too much polygons or triangle counts, it gets technical and weird. But it's this is kind of like this will kind of be the representative of what is the best that is achievable on a 3D website, if that kind of makes sense. So this will be like an ever evolving space to where I can demonstrate all of the things that I'm designing, but I just had to figure out a way to get it up and running, the first step, and then kind of figure out what can I add to it and how does that work on an online platform. So it's still in development, and you will still see it like week by week take steps on becoming a little bit more evolved. So with all of that being said, I also kind of want to get into the ideas that I have for the upcoming year, because with this as like a website tool, you can sell whatever product in a crazier way than you could in a standardized website. So this is just like one of the things that I'm seeing in the future for like marketing tools and people using 3D websites instead of just having a scroll page or something to go through. This is just way more interactive for a customer. So with interaction also comes the ability to kind of like change colors, maybe even drive the car. Like that is something that probably will be done in the future. But so those are a couple of things that I'm going to add still, because to walk around in this website, you kind of need a little bit of guidance, because you need like the WASD keys on your keyboard to kind of walk around. So W is obviously forward, S is backwards, A is kind of sideways, D is to the right sideways. So, and you can also jump, but then you will kind of see like a funny animation delay. That is still kind of something. There's a couple of things I need to fix still, but instead of just having it perfect already, I think it's also cool to kind of have a development stage to where people can kind of see the process of me getting there. Because also if I am in just the regular page, if I don't go full screen, you can kind of see like a regular website around it, and I can also like modify that to change it to where it looks like a regular website here, but you just have a 3D window in there to kind of go and look at all the different things that you're operating or selling, or all these services on your website. So it has limitless opportunities and things that you can do. So but with that, that is kind of what I've been doing the whole 2020, is trying to figure out a way to kind of use my 3D talents that I have when it just comes to design stuff, and figuring out a way to kind of become more of an artist storyteller person with my 3D ability, because that is just more who I am. I'm not really into like the calculating if something was going to work, yes or no. I'm just more into like the visual creation of stuff. So this is a perfect representation of that, and kind of showcasing the abilities that I only have when it comes to just car design, but also what else you could do with all of this technology. So that is the basic message that I had for this video. So please go to veldboomstudios.com and let me know what you think about it, and also stay tuned in the next coming weeks, because this is merely the beginning of what this website is going to bring when it comes to just showcasing the things that I design, and also hopefully having it as some sort of a, let me not say that yet, you will see. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you're interested in this content, and there will definitely be a lot more coming in the future. So yeah, just make sure that you keep like a weekly checkup on Veldboom Studios. My name is Veldboom, and I will see you guys in the next video. I'm out.